Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a simple yet incredibly delicious goat tandoor in a mini oven. Let's get started. First, take one whole onion, preferably red, and cut it into quarters. Next, slice two medium potatoes into even pieces. I'm crafting this recipe specifically for small ovens, so we'll be using two small glass jars. If you're using a regular sized oven, you can opt for one large glass jar instead. Now, let's place 600 to 700 grams of evenly sliced goat meat into the jars. Into each jar, add 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. On top, add whole Himalayan or rock salt to enhance the flavor. Let's arrange our sliced potatoes on top of the meat. Pressing down firmly, don't hesitate to really pack the ingredients in tightly so the aroma of the meat infuses fully into the vegetables. Next, add whole or coarsely ground black peppercorns. Now it's time for the onions. Press them down firmly and fill up the jar completely. Place a small amount of butter on top, and it's time to seal the jars. For a healthier approach, I covered the jars with parchment paper and tied them tightly, though aluminum foil would also work just fine. Is your mouth watering already? They do look delicious, don't they? It's time to pop our jars into an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour, we'll check back in. If you've enjoyed the recipe so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share your valuable feedback in the comments. Nice! They are cooking perfectly in the oven. Our mouth-watering goat tandoor is ready. Wow! Can you see that they're still gently simmering? The jars are still very hot, so let's open them carefully and start plating. You can garnish with some chopped chives or fresh green onions for an extra touch of flavor and presentation. Our goat tandoor is now ready to serve. It's truly melt in your mouth tender and absolutely delicious. Bon appétit!